Hello everyone. My tutorial is going to be on Picasa 3, and Picasa 3 is actually a photo editing application that you can either download the free application or you can access through your application launcher in your Google account. Picasa 3 is very similar to Photo Story 3 in Windows. I personally like using Picasa 3 because it has the option to add text slides to your picture movie. You can turn your pictures into a movie in just a few minutes. If you cannot access Picasa 3 through a Google account, then you will have to download it, so make sure you do that first. Once you download and open Picasa 3, it is very similar to what you see on my screen right now. Now with Picasa 3, I'm going to focus on how to make a movie, and there's two ways you can do it. You can actually go to the Create button and hit Movie from Selection, or you can open up the album category, and for this video I have actually already uploaded some pictures and I have titled my album Picasa 3 Tutorial. A neat thing about Picasa 3 is that it is very easy to import pictures from wherever you have them saved and to import an audio file. So for the purpose of this video, I have already imported the pictures I want to use and downloaded the audio file that I'm going to use. And so let's go ahead and start. Since I have already opened my picture album, then I'm going to go directly to create movie presentation and click on that. And as you can tell, it's got 3 tabs. It's very easy. When you're working on your movie, you start with an audio track, which I have downloaded, but I'm going to do that at the end. It's got transition styles, slide duration, overlap, and the dimensions for your video. I like to use the full frame photo crop just so it'll use the picture all through the frame. One of the neat things about Picasa 3 is that you can actually upload it directly to YouTube um, from this application. Now, when you go to the slide tab, you can actually work on different font types, font sizes, and styles. You can change the text color or the background color. And there's several different slide transitions. I really like to use the I'm Feeling Lucky one. And for the purpose of this video, I had already started with Picasa 3 tutorial, but I'm actually going to change the title to Summer Job. And I'm going to delete the date. I don't need a date there. If you look at the scroll bar, if you move the scroll bar, you'll have a way to look at all the pictures that you have. And one of the things that I like about Picasa 3 is that I can actually add a text file. And so for the purpose of time, I'm going to go ahead and add 4 or 5 different slides so that I can get my story going. If you'll notice, I have added the different slides at the bottom, and I am actually going to go ahead and type them up. And it's as easy as clicking on the slide and getting the text that I want on there. So I'll pause the video to get my story script going. Okay, so I'm back and I have my story going with the title page, the beginning, the middle, and I even added a credit slide. Now to organize the story, it's really easy. All you do is grab the pictures that you want. So I'm going to start with character and setting after the title, and then go to the next slide and move the pictures that deal with where I lived. And I will pause at this moment so that I can complete my story. Okay, I more or less have my story going. Now, I wanted to show you this. There's a couple of pictures that I feel I don't need, and to remove them, all you have to do is right-click and remove. This one is not a good picture, so right-click and remove. Okay, to add the audio file, all you have to do is go back to the movie tab and audio track load. I had already told you that I had previously downloaded the piece of music that I wanted to install. And so we wait for it to load and we're ready to go. Now with the audio feature, there's a little tab where you can either truncate the audio with the pictures, fit the photos into the audio, or loop the photos to match the audio. I'm actually going to truncate the audio. Okay, I didn't want to do that, so I'm going to cancel. The other thing I wanted to show you is that you have a couple of other options to show captions and to show full frame photo crop, which is an option that I'm going to have because I want my photos to cover the whole slide. The movie is ready to go. You hit the Create Movie button, give it a file name, and then you can absolutely upload it to YouTube if you wish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.